I bought this Hoover Concept One power drive a little while ago, and it needs new lights and new belts. Well, one of the lights work, but I'm just going to replace both of them. And same with the belt. The transmission belt works, but I'm just going to replace both of them because the brush belt is bad. As you can see, I can easily turn it. First, I'm going to do the belts, and then I'm going to do the lights because the belts are going to be easy. They'll be quick. And then I don't know how to do this yet, but I think I have an idea. I think there are screws behind the bag here. Alright, I'll start off with popping the clips down, and this should pop out like that. I guess I can't really see this. There we go. There's the transmission belt still on there. Just pull that off. It isn't that bad, actually. I guess I'll just keep it. I absolutely need it, but I don't think I will. And I'll put on the new one. I'm going to take off my ring so it doesn't get dirty. Slip it over the motor. Guess I have to stretch it out a little bit. Like that. And take a brush roll belt. No, put this on first, I guess, here. Yeah, slip it over the motor first. And push it into the corner. Looks like it's staying on. Alright, good. So that can go back and get closed. Alright, now for the lights. Okay, so I've taken out the bag over there. It's barely been used. And the tube that goes from the vacuum part, you know, the motor, and it comes up here. It just unclips and pulls out. It looks like there are two screws here, and a couple down there. I'm not sure if I'm going to need to remove those though. Okay, I got the bag off. Now I just need to pull off a few more screws here. Here's the bag. Probably needs to be cleaned. Okay, so I've got the front open. There was some stuff I thought I'd have to do, but I guess I didn't. I was just able to use a stubby screwdriver on screws I couldn't reach. So that made it easier. You can see that this is where the cord wrap would go if this was the one that would have, if this was the one that had the retractable cord, but this one doesn't. So here are the bulbs that need to be replaced. If I can get them out. There we go. See, that one's burnt out. Same with this one. And here are the new ones. There we go. Alright, so here is the vacuum completed. I might at some point go over it with plastic polish or something and see if I can get some of that out. It's been well pretty decently cleaned for the most part now. There's some small stuff that needs to be done, but it fully functions now. So yeah, I'll demonstrate that real quick. I'll just move it over. Here's low speed. Alright, now we'll do high speed. This thing has a lot of torque, a lot of pull. I let one of my friends use it one time before I fixed it, and it ran over their foot whenever they pulled it backwards. So yeah, you gotta be, I guess, a little careful with it. But I think that's all for now. And thanks for watching.